Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur your moving face in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video to the project and I'm going to go to the effects menu here and we're going to go to the video effect and we're going to find the mosaic effect, this one. If you cannot find this effect here, you can go to the search bar and then you're going to search for mosaic effect. Okay, and then there will be some effects for you guys and then I'm going to choose this one, face up. Okay, and I'm going to apply it to my video. Right, now the effect has been applied and as you can see, this moving face has been blurred. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blur moving face automatically in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!